Here is what I like about done for you meals from Prestige Labs. First, they're consistent with our meal plans. Second, they're delivered right to your door. So 48 hours after ordering this, they will literally come right to my door. They are a little bit more expensive than most meals. I actually have one every day for lunch. It just makes it easy, it makes it simple, and they're pretty tasty. What I like about Prestige is they prepare them fresh, and then they instant freeze them and vacuum seal it. So by the time it gets to you, it's awesome. It comes to you in some dry ice, make sure that it's still frozen, and then I thaw out two at a time, microwave them for 2 minutes, and I'm good to go. So they definitely have lots of different options, and you can get 4 ounces or 6 ounces. And there's deluxe versions, boom, premium versions, salmon, and vegetarian vegan versions. So if you want some simplicity and healthy, then this is a good option for you. I will include our affiliate link so you get the discount prices, because if you're tired of meal prepping and Go Fresh is just not working for you, then this is a great option to have healthy food delivered to your door so you never have to grab for something or compromise your nutrition again. Hope you like it. And if not, no problem. And if so, make it happen, Captain.